Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're coming to you from the sauna that is our office. If I'm sweating a little bit, it's because it's just ridiculously hot in here, not because I'm nervous or anything. And the puzzle we've got for you today is the Minipunk puzzle kit from NKD Puzzles. So this is designed and made by NKD of France, and it's a scaled down version of their Mechanigma puzzle box. So that's a pretty big, complex puzzle box. This one's a little bit smaller. There's 48 pieces to this kit, so it's plywood, and we're gonna take the pieces apart and build the puzzle box ourselves and then solve it at the end. You end up with this puzzle box. It's got 5 steps to open it, so a fairly simple little puzzle box, but this is a really fun thing to build yourself at home and then have a working puzzle box at the end of it. So it's made from sustainable wood. It's not overly complex. It says for 14 years plus, but you probably get away with a little bit younger if you've got some help. So we're going to go through the whole build of this puzzle today and then the solution for this at the end. I am going to leave a link for this in the description down below. If you are enjoying the video and want to see more puzzles in the future, please give this video a like, hit subscribe, it really helps us out. So let's take a look now at what's in the box, what you get, and let's start the build. Okay, so here we go. This is the box that it comes in. Open it up and have a look. So we've got the instructions that it comes with. It includes some glue, that's some sandpaper, and then here are the pieces of the puzzle. So, oh, we've got some other stuff as well. So we've got this as well, which I think this is a paraffin that you might need to assemble it with. And if we have a look in the instructions, it shows you here what you will need, and it says you'll need something to cut with. So we've got a Stanley knife, you'll need some clamps, some tissue, and something to sand with, I think. But we've got the sandpaper here, we've got a glue, so we will try and see how we get on. You can see the instructions here. It gives you the step-by-step guide as to how to build it. So we'll just go through this and then see how complex it is. So let's just get started and see how we get on. Okay, so we are back. We had to stop there for a little bit because the camera actually overheated here, I think, but hopefully it'll be okay now. In that time though, I did discover a couple of things that helps to read the instructions properly to begin with. I've been cutting out the backs of these the whole time, but all you need to do is cut out some little connectors on the front side and they should pop out okay. So hopefully we can move a bit faster now. So we're at the stage here where we are going to fit these pieces we made earlier onto here. So then we can turn that a little. So we're really nearly, oh, or is that us actually? That's potentially us completed. I think that is us actually completed. So there it is, that's the completed puzzle. It looks like you get some spare parts as well with the cutouts, which is pretty handy if you do happen to break a piece, which I'll admit to having actually done in the building of this puzzle. So let's have a look at how we open this now. So we kind of figured it out when we were building it. Just need to find the right orientation for this now. So we need to go round with this one, which is now very stiff. Round, down, up with that one. Over here, we move that down so you can just use this bit to twist it. And it's got these different parts that move, and there's no real necessity for this bit, but I guess it just makes the whole thing a little bit cooler. And finally, we can spin the wheel and open the box. So there we go. That is a full Minipunk puzzle build. Okay, so that is the build for the Minipunk puzzle. So let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Did you like this video or not? We'd love to know your feedback on it. Overall, top tips for this would be to definitely not waste your time doing what I was doing, cutting the back of it. Read the instructions. You only need to cut a little bit on the front and it's much quicker. Definitely using the wax helps in certain bits as well. Also, if you do happen to break a bit, there are spares on the sheets of the pieces, so that's really useful. I really like that fact. And also using the wax as well really helps the pieces to move a lot smoother. I was trying a little bit without the wax and it definitely does make a difference to put it on there. Another cool little feature I saw in this box is this little panel on top, so this sliding bit that we did early on in the build. If you open it up, there's this little slot and you can use that to put some coins in it and use this as a little coin bank that is then a lockbox as well. So that's a pretty cool little feature. I really like the look of this one. The gears and the pieces that all move and interact with each other is pretty smart. So I hope you like this one. It's been a pretty sweaty job today in the office doing this video, but we'll see you in the next one. That's it for today.